So you have assignments and tasks and classwork and even classes that you want to keep track of. One of the ways that you can do that is by using Google Calendar. So we're going to start by finding Google Calendar. So you can either type it into this window here or this top window here, and you are just going to write in Google Calendar, and that's going to take you to this section. Go ahead and click on the top link, which should say Google Calendar, and it also has this little 31 icon that's going to make it easier to know that you are on the right one. Once you've done that, you should see this window pop up. And from here, we're going to be able to put in an event and then keep track of that. So let's go ahead and take a look. So I'm going to say that every Monday at 10 a.m., I'm going to make a video. I'm going to make sure it's on event. And it's from 10 to 11. If I think it's going to take me longer, maybe I'll make it 10 to noon. And then I can add guests. Let's say I'm working with somebody else. You can add an email. And then the best part of this, I think, is that you can add some notifications to make it easier for you to remember. So this first notification that's automatically listed sends a little pop-up in your Google Calendar. You can add a second notification, which I would suggest, and change it to email. And so that means that however long you want before the event starts, like 10 minutes, you'll get an email as well reminding you about your event. You could leave some notes for yourself, like let's say I wanted to use PowerPoint. This is also a good opportunity to make sure that you are double checking your spelling. And then you can also make sure that you are using the calendar that makes sense for this meeting. So for me, it's going to be under sample. And I'm going to do this every Monday, which means I need to make this repeating. So I'm going to make it from does not repeat to weekly on Mondays. And so that means that every Monday, I am going to have a notification and an event that tells me I'm going to make a video. Make sure you always press send or save. So right now I see that Monday from 10 to 12, I'm going to make a video. And if I go to next week, I'm going to see it again. So that is a really great way of making sure you have all the information in one spot. And you can add lots of events. Let's say that you had homework 5 for chem due at noon on Wednesday. You can go ahead and just add that in there. Remember to go ahead and open it and add some notifications because it will make your day a little bit easier. Oops. So that you remember that that's what's going on for you. And you could even potentially even attach the homework assignment right there. So these are some of the strategies that are going to be helpful to keep track of assignments, keep track of classes, and make your organization of everything you have to take care of a lot more simple.